Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will explore Alibaba in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has identified Alibaba as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 60.62% since we initially recommended Alibaba as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1.68% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 75% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from nearly 60% to just over 100%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month evaluation indicates an anticipated change of around 40%. According to our projections, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of nearly 11% and an increase of just over 49% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $122.22 and $204.43. Our latest daily update for Alibaba includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock price declined by 1.35% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, dropping from $139.02 to $137.14. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.71%, ranging from a low of $135.29 to a high of $138.95. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.39% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares being exchanged for approximately $3 billion and $20 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $145.36, while the lowest price was $68.36. Currently, the price sits at 5.65%, or $8.22, below the 52-week high, and 57.5%, or $182.18, below the all-time high reached on the 27th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Recent developments surrounding Alibaba Group highlight a cautious yet optimistic outlook for the company's future. Alibaba chairman Zhou Tsai emphasized the significance of a recent meeting between Chinese President Xi Jinping and entrepreneurs, which has instilled confidence in businesses to invest. This renewed confidence comes at a crucial time as China's Minister of Commerce indicates that consumer spending is vital for economic recovery, with service consumption serving as a new growth driver. As investors gravitate toward Chinese tech stocks, Alibaba stands to benefit in both the short and long term. The discussion of potential tariffs mentioned by Tsai poses a risk to Alibaba's operations, particularly in accessing goods made in the United States. However, the broader shift in focus towards the private sector to stimulate economic growth could serve as a tailwind for the company. Additionally, Tsai's remarks on artificial intelligence suggest that while AI may streamline certain analytical tasks, the necessity for human judgment remains crucial, potentially enhancing Alibaba's strategic positioning. Overall, these factors are likely to generate a positive sentiment around Baba stock, which could translate into upward momentum in a landscape increasingly favoring technology and innovation. Analyst ratings. On Saturday, the 22nd of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned BABA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned BABA a reduce rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned BABA an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned BABA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned BABA a positive rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Alibaba stock. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, a buy signal is indicated from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $137.16. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $118.03. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative indicators have emerged, which may influence the stock's near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, February 21, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 4.6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MAI. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 38 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba finds support from accumulated volume at $135.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and given its strong trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.66, which accounts for 2.71%. For the week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, typically observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.37. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $139.08. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $135.97. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $130.80, reflecting a decline of 4.62%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Alibaba stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of March, we anticipate Alibaba to open lower by approximately 1.33 cents, starting at $137.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments section. What is your target for this stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.